So the question is, how will you secure an API? Answer. We can secure an API by most popular modern authentication system JWT. It provides a mechanism that shares secured information across various security domains in real-time application. This happens when parties exchange data with the help of API medium. JWT has a collection of data and it allows the API to transfer only secured data. So the question is, what is Webpack? Answer. Webpack is a tool that lets you compile JavaScript modules, also known as module bundler. Webpack allows you to use the require function to include one JavaScript file in another. Webpack allows you to use preprocessors. If you are already happy with vanilla CSS and JavaScript, you aren't required to use any preprocessor. So the question is, why Node and MongoDB used with React.js? Why not MySQL? Answer. It is easier when a Node using in a project because Node is JavaScript which are already using in React.js. No need to invest any other languages. Using the same language allows for true code sharing between server-side and client-side code. MongoDB represents the data as a collection of documents rather than using SQL tables related by foreign key. MongoDB is open source and perfect for frequently changing data. It also offers server-side data validation. It is asynchronous, event-driven, and helps to build a scalable web application. So the question is, what is CRUD? Answer. CRUD is 4 functions that are considered necessary to implement a persistent storage application. They are create, read, update, and delete. In such apps, users must be able to create data, have access to the data in the UI by reading the data, update or edit the data, and delete the data. CRUD apps consist of 3 parts: an API, a database, and user interface. The question is, what is Mongoose? Do you work with Mongoose? Answer. Mongoose is a JavaScript framework that is commonly used in Node.js application with a MongoDB database. Mongoose is an object document mapper. That means that Mongoose allows you to define objects with a strongly typed schema that is mapped to MongoDB document. I'm much comfortable with instead of using SQL because NoSQL database and flexible data structure here Mongoose plays and the important role and memes the collection schema similar to the SQL database.